Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 23 and we're focusing on our shoulders and triceps. Our first exercise, we have the inverted shoulder press, the tricep pull downs, and kneeling straight arm raises. For our second circuit, we're starting with the shoulder press, tricep extensions, and inverted lateral raises. So for this workout, we're doing sets of 12 reps. Slow and control, we're working on form. This is going to be medium resistance. So it's 2 circuits with 3 exercises per circuit, and we're taking a 30-second break between sets. I'll provide the timer. And I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each set as needed, but I recommend you just go from start to finish. So we're down to our last 2 workouts of this challenge. This is number 23 out of 24. So after the 24th workout, I'll provide a detailed progress video to conclude this challenge. Alright everyone, be sure and warm up. Have a good workout. Let's go. For circuit number 1, our first exercise is the inverted shoulder press. And my body is positioned low enough on the glide board so when I descend, my chest is at the wing bar attachment area. You want to do each rep slow and in control. We're working on form here, and this is medium resistance. I'm on the 14th out of 15 levels on the tower, and this first set is without a resistance band. Jumping right into the tricep pull downs, and I'm keeping the same resistance as I did with the inverted shoulder press. So you want minimal movement in your shoulders. You want to keep your elbows on a swivel, focus on the triceps, and slow and in control. We're working on form here as I mentioned. Jumping into the straight arm raises, and I'm at the 5th level on the tower here. You want to do each rep slow and in control. Your arms are going a little past behind your body, and pull all the way to the top to complete the rep. So for circuit number 2, we're starting with a shoulder press. Our resistance is the 14th level on the tower with no resistance bands, and we're doing 12 reps. Remember, this is medium resistance. Jumping right into the tricep pull downs. Your arms and triceps are isolated as you're laying on the glide board. You want to keep your elbows on a swivel, zero movement in your shoulders, and be sure and complete the full rep. Here we have the inverted lateral raises at the 5th level on the tower. Your arms are starting by your side and you're pulling outward with your elbows slightly bent to complete the rep. All right, everyone, that's the end of workout number 23, and we're down to our last 2 workouts of this challenge. Hope you all found time to complete this workout today. Let me know how it went in the comment section. I'd love to hear some feedback. We'll catch you on the next workout, our final one, number 24. Thanks for watching. God bless.